Recent trends show that organizations are increasingly using artificial intelligence tools to boost productivity, accelerate decision-making, and gain a competitive edge. However, while AI offers significant advantages, its use in a corporate setting brings along critical concerns regarding data security, privacy, ethics, and legal responsibilities that must be observed by all employees. Sensitive data protection is essential. Corporate sensitive data, such as internal confidential information, customer records, financial reports, and intellectual property, should never be uploaded to AI tools. Instead, this data must be processed within secure, authorized networks, ensuring that data sharing only occurs after thorough review of privacy and security policies. There is a risk of data exposure, as AI systems may store and use input data for training, which increases the risk of data leakage. To mitigate these risks, employees should avoid using public or third-party cloud-based AI platforms with sensitive information and apply data anonymization or masking techniques when necessary. Privacy agreements and legal considerations are crucial. It is important to carefully review the privacy policies and user agreements of any AI service. Organizations need to ensure that the data processing practices of these providers are in line with internal security requirements and legal standards. When in doubt, legal experts should be consulted. Avoidance of direct personal or corporate identifiers is necessary. Inputting direct identifiers like names, identification numbers, or addresses into AI systems should be avoided. If necessary, these data points must be anonymized to lower the risk of identity theft or breaches. Account and access security is vital. Robust security measures, such as strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, are essential to protect AI system accounts. Monitoring account activities and regularly updating passwords helps in preventing unauthorized access. Furthermore, only authorized employees should be granted access to the organization's AI tools, with access controls periodically reviewed. Adherence to information security standards is important. All data processing and sharing activities should comply with established information security guidelines and management systems. Maintaining detailed records of all processes can help ensure readiness for audits or investigations. Verification of AI outputs is necessary, as AI may generate incorrect or misleading information. It is important to manually verify AI outputs before using them in critical decisions. Incorporating human oversight can help prevent erroneous conclusions. Managing public and internal communication requires care to avoid disseminating unverified AI-generated content, as inaccurate information can harm the organization's reputation. Internal controls should be in place to vet and approve any content before it is shared externally. Ethical and legal compliance is essential. AI-generated content could raise legal issues related to copyrights, data protection, and industry-specific regulations. Organizations must ensure that all AI-derived outputs and practices adhere to legal and ethical standards to protect the company's brand and reputation. Employee training and awareness are necessary. Regular training sessions are needed to educate employees about the potential risks, security measures, and ethical use guidelines related to AI tools. Increasing awareness helps in mitigating security breaches and ensuring responsible AI utilization. In summary, while AI technologies offer transformative benefits to corporate processes, their effective and secure implementation requires a balanced approach that emphasizes data security, legal compliance, and ethical usage.